Welcome all, Papa G here. Today I present frozen banana daiquiris. If you can't go to the Caribbean, why not bring the Caribbean to you? These refreshing adult beverages have less than 2 net carbs per 8 ounce serving and are just the thing to help break up that shelter-at-home monotony. Let's get started. Add 1 can of unsweetened coconut milk to a mixing bowl. Flavor with some banana extract and some color with some yellow food coloring gel. The food coloring is optional but does add that banana look. Mix well to combine. There are a couple of ways to freeze this mix. I like to use a freezer bag. This method allows for easier placement in the freezer, especially if it's on the full side like mine. I'll show you another option in just a bit. Simply pour the mix into the bag, seal, and place in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours or until frozen. We'll make a simple syrup by adding equal parts of water and a granulated sugar substitute to a sauce pot on medium heat. Stir with a whisk until dissolved. It should dissolve fully without coming to a boil or getting too hot. Any sugar residue on the surface will clear up as it cools to room temperature. Pour the cooled simple syrup into a 2-cup container like this measuring cup. Add a 1/2 cup of clear rum and stir to combine. Cover with some plastic wrap and place in the refrigerator to chill while the banana mix freezes. Remove the frozen banana mix and break it up a bit using a kitchen hammer or rolling pin. If you have room in your freezer, freezing in these silicone molds will make removing the banana mix a little less work, but what fun is that? Add our banana mix to a blender. Pour in our sweetened rum and blend to mix. Now add 2 cups of ice and blend until smooth. Pour into an 8-ounce glass. Garnish with a little fun and enjoy. There you have it, folks, my frozen banana daiquiri recipe. A low-carb adult beverage that'll make doing the limbo just a little more fun. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and consider subscribing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.